Hi, today we are going to talk about a very important agile concept about time boxing. People think that it is a very new concept, but I personally believe it has been there since ages and ages. And this topic, time boxing, is very important for your PMI-ACP exam preparation or any other agile work that you do. Hi, I am Nidhi Kohli, and I am the Agile mentor and coach with EduHubSpot, leading all the Agile certifications, including PMI-ACP. So I am going to support you in that journey when you are preparing for PMI-ACP exam preparation. So what really is time boxing? If I, just in definition, I explain it to you. Time boxing is nothing but, when you have literally constrained the time in a box. What does that mean? Means, you have put a limit to the time. That's the maximum time you can spend on any activity. You will not spend any further time on that particular activity. It could be a meeting, it could be a sprint, or it could be anything else. In order to appreciate that and admire the concept and importance of time boxing, let's take an example. Imagine that you are sitting doing some work, okay, whatever work that you are doing, and all of a sudden your best friend calls and says, "Hey, I have an exciting news for you." And mind you, when I hear that voice, my red flags, there is something fishy, and I say, yeah, of course, tell me, what is the big news? I was getting a very good deal and I have booked both of us for a 5-day trip. Oh wow, where is it? This place. Oh, I had been dreaming of going to that place. Yes. Now I ask, but what's the catch? Nothing much, nothing that we can't handle. We are smart women. Okay. So what's the catch? Well, the flight is tomorrow. Oh my God! I am overwhelmed, and I'm sure if you are in that situation, you would be too. But what do? Do you become nervous, overwhelmed, and stop doing anything? No. You start calculating in your mind, okay, what should be done, what are the next steps, or maybe you take a notebook and list down what all things that you have to carry and you have to do before your trip. Or as my son says, "Mama, use keep." Nobody uses notebook. Oh, whatever, that is a different topic altogether. So you will list down, you will prepare, and I'm sure you would be at the airport at the proper time, and you have not missed anything. You are well prepared. So what have we done really? We knew there was a limited time in which we had to prepare something, and we ensured we planned it properly, and we ensured that everything was well organized and well taken care of. Isn't that so? Now, taking a similar situation, you have planned the trip 2 months in advance. Do you think you will take the same amount of time to do the preparation what you had taken earlier? No, right? You might take double or triple the time. You would take it easy. So what does it remind you? Or what does it remind me? Where it says that work expands to take the amount of time that is allocated for its completion. Isn't that so? And we have seen it everywhere in our day-to-day lives, in our work life, in our any other situation, right? So what am I trying to say? Am I promoting last-minute bookings and last-minute packing? No, not at all. What am I saying? I'm saying that you decide what is the right amount of time to do a particular activity, and you fix that time. You say, this is the maximum time I will take to complete this. And if I'm not able to complete, I'm not going to continue on that. That's a topic for another video. We will cover that for your PMI-ACP. What happens to, if you are not able to complete the things within that time. So we will keep that aside for now. Once let's say you have kept 1 hour. You have to finish it in 1 hour. If you are not able to finish it, whatever is done is done. You will not expand that time. You will not continue on that activity. You will not allocate another time for it. And what is the advantage you see? See, when we fix the time, we know that we have to finish in this. We will be very focused, very clear, and moving towards that goal. We will be spending our time only in value added activities. No distractions, no non-value added, no wastage will fill in the that work time. So isn't it that the advantage for all of us? Isn't that so? Right? So that is time boxing. It keeps you focused, it keeps you goal oriented, and it keeps you moving towards your target. So I'm happy to explain this concept, and if you want further such concepts, you can log into www.eduhubspot.com and go to PMI-ACP section. There are videos, there are blogs which you can go through, and we help you to prepare for your Agile certification journey. Be it PMI-ACP or Scaled Agile or Disciplined Agile, we are there for you. Thank you.